Little Language Lessons is a new alternative to Duolingo for learning languages. Little Language Lessons is a set of experimental AI tools from Google to help you learn languages in a more personalized way. Tiny Lesson. This experiment focuses on providing targeted language lessons based on specific scenarios you input. You describe a situation or event you want to learn about, e.g., ordering coffee in Italy, asking for directions in Spanish, or as previously mentioned, finding a lost passport. Tiny Lesson then generates a mini lesson tailored to that situation. This lesson typically includes key vocabulary words relevant to the scenario, useful phrases you might use in that situation, brief grammar tips that are relevant to the language and scenario. The goal is to provide practical, immediately applicable language skills for real-world situations. Slang Hang. Slang can be one of the trickiest parts of learning a new language. This experiment aims to make learning slang a bit easier and more fun. Slang Hang generates a simulated conversation between two people who are using slang terms. The idea is to expose you to how slang is used in a natural context. As you read the conversation, you can click on any of the slang words or phrases. The tool will then provide an explanation of what that slang term means. WordCam. This experiment leverages your phone's camera to help you learn vocabulary in a visual and interactive way. You activate the WordCam feature and point your phone's camera at an object in your surroundings. The tool will then attempt to identify the object and provide its name in the language you are learning. This is a great way to build vocabulary by associating words with real-world objects. It's particularly useful for learning nouns and common objects in your environment.